This is the Jasmine floor plan from Bloomfield Homes, a single-story design that can flex to fit your needs. The Jasmine is part of our Classic series with 3 to 4 bedrooms and 2,100 square feet. At the intersection of quiet luxury and affordability, the Jasmine is filled with all the luxury standard features you've come to expect from Bloomfield Homes. On the outside, choose from 5 different elevations with timeless architectural features and stone and brick combinations, offering great curb appeal. And in certain communities, you can add a 2.5 or 3-car garage. Inside, you're greeted by a large foyer and then 3 bedrooms and a full bath at the front of the home, or build one of the bedrooms as a study. Next, the heart of the home, the open concept family room with an optional corner fireplace. The well-designed kitchen has custom cabinets, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances. Enjoy breakfast at the generous island or an evening meal with friends in the dining area. The built-in window seat is the perfect spot to read a book on a Saturday afternoon, unless you prefer the covered patio. One of the many luxury features included at the base price at no extra cost. Retreat to your private oasis in the primary suite, thoughtfully laid out so the length of the room is on the opposite side of the home from the secondary bedrooms and kitchen. In addition, you have 2 walk-in closets, a glass enclosed shower with a built-in bench, and then you can relax in the garden tub, your own personal escape. Discover the perfect blend of style and functionality with the Classic Series Jasmine from Bloomfield Homes.